See, Devaraya too. He has taken the power at the year of 1424 until the 1446 he has ruled. See, he is the famous king in the Sangama dynasty, and his period was very significant in the Vijayanagara dynasty. Understood? After he has taken the power, he has built a good and powerful army, including the Muslim soldiers also. Understood? While he is recruiting the soldiers, which type of soldiers he has taken means the soldiers which have the skills about the archery and horse taming. Understood? These type of skills who is having, those type of soldiers he has taken. Understood? With the help of this army, he has defeated the Reddy leaders of Kondavidu. Understood? He has defeated the Reddy leaders of Kondavidu region. He defeated famous sultans. Understood? He has defeated the famous sultans, and from them what he has taken means Mudigal Fort and Raichur and Bankarpur. Understood? Not only that one, he have a brave commander. Understood? His name was Lakanna. Understood? He has defeated the some Sri Lanka kings and Kerala kings. From them he has collected the treasure and money also. See, Proud-Devaraya, he was a religious tolerance. Understood? He was a religious tolerance. That's why he has built so many Jain and Vaishnava temples. Not only constructing the temples, he has given the permission to build a mosque also. Understood? And not only that one, he have the so many his kingdom is a shelter for so many poets. Understood? For example, Srinada, he is a Telugu poet, and Dindima, he is a Sanskrit philosopher, and like this, in his kingdom, so many poets are there. Understood? In his period, see, Veera Vaishnavism, it has came back. That means sometimes back this Veera Saivism is there. After that it has stopped. Again in his period it was came back. Understood? See, he has so many titles like Ventigara and Chetusamudra Dishwara and Ariraya Vibhada. Like this, he have so many titles. After his death, in 1446 CE, his son Mallikarjuna has ruled the kingdom. After his Mallikarjuna, Virupaksha III has ruled this kingdom. But these two kings are very weak kings. So because of that reason only, in their period only, the Vijayanagara empire has taken by the Salvas. Understood? The Salvas has occupied in their period this Vijayanagara empire. This is about the this dynasty. Next one is Salva dynasty. After taking over the power in 1485 CE, Salva Narasimha ruled for 6 years and died in 1491 CE. See, this Salva Narasimha has taken from them. He has ruled the 6 years and he has died in 1491 CE. His children were minors. Understood? When he died, that time his children are minor. Minors in the sense, their age is small, very small. Understood? When he died, and because of this, kingdom was in the protection of a commander called Tiluva Narasanayaka from 1491 to 1503 CE. See, his children are very small children. That means, for example, till 18 years we don't have to keep our vote, right? At the same way, they want to take the power in the kingdom. Minimum age is required. That is, they don't have. Because of that reason, for the kingdom, someone has to protect, right? Who has protected that time? The commander. Understood? Commander taken the power and he has controlled the kingdom. Till what time? From the 1491 to 1503 CE. Understood, children? See, this Salva dynasty king children have very small, right? They don't have the minimum age for taking the power, right? That's why that time the king commander has taken all the powers on the king. He belongs to the Tuluva. Yes, right? Before that, Salvas are there. He has taken the power. He has given for his sons, not for the Salva sons. Understood? For that reason, after that, the Tuluva dynasty has started. See, in 1505 CE, Veera Narasimha son has Tuluva Narasanayaka started the rule of Tuluva dynasty. Understood? His son has started the Tuluva dynasty. After his death, his brother Krishnadevaraya came to power. Understood? After his death, the Krishnadevaraya. See, next one is Krishnadevaraya. He was the famous and greatest king among other Vijayanagara kings. Understood? He is a very, very famous king and he is the greatest king. See, at the initial years of his rule, he had to face many revolts. Revolts in the sense, for example, whatever already established government is there now, taking the revenge on that. Understood? Understood, ma? Next one. He seized the Sivanasamudra fort from Ummattur chief Gangaras in 1510 CE. Later, he won the Raichur fort. Understood? First, he has seized one fort. After that, he has won the Raichur fort. He supported Portuguese to capture Goa from Vijaypura Sultan. Understood? See, he has supported the Portuguese to capture the Goa from the Vijaypur Sultan. For the taking of Goa from the Vijaypur Sultan, he has given the support for the Portuguese people. In 1513 CE, he won Udaygiri fort. Then in 1518 CE, he captured Cuttack, the capital of Gujapati, and see, in 1513 CE, he won the Udaygiri fort. Then in 1518 CE, he captured the Cuttack, the capital of Gajapati Pratapa Singh Rudra. From the Gajapati Pratapa Rudra, he has captured the capital, and also he has married his daughter Jagan Mohini. In 1522 CE, he recaptured the Raichur from the king of Adil Shah and Ismail Adil Khan. From these two kings, again he has taken the Raichur back. Later, he captured the Kalaburgi, Bidar forts also. After that, he has taken the Kalaburgi and Bidar forts also. Not only taking the Bidar king's son, he got the released the son of king who was imprisoned by Bahmani Prime Minister. Understood? That means Bahmani Prime Minister has kept in jail. Understood? That king's son, he has kept in jail. From the Bahmani Prime Minister, he has released that son and he has returned back his power in Bidar. Understood? That means this Krishnadevaraya has given the power back for his son in Bidar. For this, he got the title Yavana Rajya Pratishtapanacharya. Understood? What is the title he has got? Yavana Rajya Pratishtapanacharya. Understood? Vijayanagara kingdom was expanded in all the four directions at the time of his death. Understood? Before his death, he has expanded his kingdom all the four sides of the kingdom. Understood? He has died in 1529 CE. Domingo Pace, who visited his king, he has visited his kingdom, and he has stated, Krishnadevaraya was a soft person with a strong body. Understood? He is a very soft person, but he have a strong body. Like this he has stated in his book. This is about the Krishnadevaraya. Okay, remaining part I will explain you in the next session. Thank you children. Take care. Bye.